Hi everyone, welcome back to E.G.O Outdoors. What I've got for you in this video is a recommendation of tools that I've used over the years to save you a bit of money, unlike myself who has wasted a lot of tools with this problem. The problem is with trees like this is typically the area that I operate here in Scotland, and this is typically what I'm dealing with. The problem I've been having is with these branches here coming out for the trunk, especially close to the trunk, the fibres are so tight knitted here, especially on the upper side of the trunk. Okay, so this is what we're dealing with. And when it comes to clearing it, what I've found with my knives is actually chip them, roll the edges, or actually rip chunks out the blade. Quite recently I had the shred knife, the large one. I can't remember the model of it now, and it actually ripped a 1-inch chunk out the blade. So what I've done is actually had to ask Mike Stewart at Back River Knives. It was actually my friend Andy who went into the grinding a couple of years back there. Asked him what should we do to help us prevent doing this, and what he says was basically we need to adopt the Scandinavian way of working in the woods. Basically what he meant by that was carry a puku knife and an axe and work with that. So what I've got here is a few tools that I recommend to use. So the first one I've got here is the Friskars bull hook. Now this is about £40 sterling here in Scotland. The next one has been one of my favourite tools, all-time tools. I've had this for the last 5 years, and this is my cold steel shovel. Absolutely phenomenal tool. And this is my axe that I use. This is the gransfor bruks, or one of my axes. It's a small forest axe. The thing with the axes, I don't really like them. I think you're either an axe person or you're not. The problems I feel with the axe, if it goes wrong, as in you throw the axe to take a branch off and you miss and it hits you, well, things go seriously wrong rapidly. And if you're a good number of miles out like I am here in the woods, middle of nowhere, well, it can be absolutely drastic for you. So for that alone, I don't like using axes, so I prefer my shovel and my bull hook here, which is designed to do the job. We spend a lot of money like on this type of knife here. This is a Origins Bushcrafter knife, and we don't want to be wasting our money by simply using them what they're not designed to do. They have the capability, but I think it's actually outside the envelope what they're actually made for. Even the high quality ones, I've ruined a couple of Bush knives, swamp rat knives, quite a lot over the years, K-bar, a lot of the good makes. And I've just found, well, what's the point in spending all this money when you can get tools like this that are fit for purpose. So I'll just show you, if I can, while I've got my phone, how this works. These branches here, right close in to the stump, is where the problem is. So what I recommend, if I come back here and you can see this branch here, do not cut from the top where the fibres are really tight at this point here, as in the branch is pointing up the way. Step back so you can see that. Right, so what we need to do then is actually cut this area here to the bottom in the direction that it grows. So simply by going for here, there we go, hitting it like that makes it a lot easier, a lot weaker on this side of the branch than it is this side. So when you do it, make sure you hit from the bottom like that, nice and easy, and it takes it off. That's one thing the bull hook's really good for. But you can adjust this tool. I've actually adjusted the tippet. I don't know if you can make that out in the camera. For basically I spike it into the logs and it lets me carry it. I put a 90-degree spine on for my fire steel, and tape on the handle just for a bit better grip. It's really good for clearing the boughs when you do your shelter making. So if I come over here and show you, let's see, this one here, this is typically what I'm talking about. This tree here, the branches in here, because basically there's not a lot of room to come up for the bottom, so you need to start up and make a bit of space. So here, it's hard to do while I'm holding the camera, but that's how it works, basically like that. There you go. So that's really good. The friskars, so I would recommend that one. The cold steel shovel I've got here is absolutely excellent for it. The thing is, it's really multi-purpose, this tool. Obviously it's got the uses as a shovel, but here we go. There you go, straight away. And it's only about £25 here in Scotland and sterling, so for that alone it's brilliant, and it acts like an axe as well with the sharpened edges. Dead easy to maintain when you're out in the field. As I say, this is like 5-year-old now. It's done brilliant. I've had no problems with it whatsoever. Highly recommend this one. This is actually one of my top 10 recommended pieces of kit of all time. So hopefully this has helped you out for the beginner who's just starting out and having these problems with the trees and these branches, because it can really ruin your knife and really ruin your day, as in it's cost you a lot of money with your knife. Okay, so hopefully these tips will get you sorted out in the future, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers again.